Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we talk about how to explain something in English using the form by plus gerund. A gerund in the English language is basically a verb that we add ing to it to make it function as a noun. For example, we have read as the verb. We can make it function as a noun by simply adding an ing at the end. Generally, questions that ask for an explanation start with the question tool, how. For example, we have this question here, how did you learn English? You can explain that by saying that I learned English by watching videos online. Another question, how can I get directions to a certain place, to any place? And you can answer by saying that you can get directions by using Google Maps. Thank you so much for watching this video. As always, I hope this helps, and I will see you in another one.